Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the app where you want to type and tapping the text field. That summons the keyboard. Once it appears, make sure you recognize the layout and language. If you need a different keyboard, long press the globe or emoji key and select it, or go to Settings, right arrow Language and Input to install one. Make sure autocorrect and suggestions are enabled if you want help typing faster. Now you're ready to enter your first characters with confidence. You type by tapping keys, but faster options make a big difference. Once you get comfortable, use swipe typing to drag between letters for whole words and long press keys for accented letters or symbols. Make sure to monitor the predictive bar, tap a suggestion to accept it and continue. If it's wrong, hit backspace and type the correction. Use shortcuts like double space to insert a period, and press the number or symbol key to access 0. You finish by reviewing what you typed and using the cursor. Tap or drag the handle to position it precisely. Select text to cut, copy, or paste. Once done, customize the keyboard size, themes, haptic feedback, and enable voice typing if that helps productivity. If the keyboard lags or types wrong characters, restart the keyboard app, clear its cache in Settings, or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard. That usually fixes issues. If not, reboot the phone and retry the steps you just learned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.